Okay, something I forgot to mention, I just remembered while I was putting this new unit in the fascia, is the park brake wire. So when you get an aftermarket stereo, most of them, if not all of them, will have a park brake wire, which is this one here on this stereo, this brown one. Now when you get the Air Pro fascia, there's also a park brake wire. So you're meant to join those two together. So when you pull the park brake and when you have the park brake on, is the only time that you'll be able to watch videos in the car. Illegal to have any videos as far as Netflix, YouTube, anything like that playing while you're driving. If you want to get around this issue, just ignore this wire here that comes out of the Air Pro harness and the wire on the back of the stereo, this one. All you need to do is earth it. Just earth this wire. So you can connect it to any metal part of the car or any black earth wire. And what that will do is it will trick the car into thinking that the handbrake is on all the time. So you'll be able to watch movies while you're driving. I'm not telling you to watch movies while you're driving because it's illegal, but that's how you can do it.